All right, we're gonna go for a ride here. Not a fast ride, but a fun ride. A 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. This thing's been completely restored. It's a really beautiful little bug. You know, the incredible paint job, ruby red. It was taken down to bare metal. You can just see from the looking at this car outside with the sun shining on it, and there's no imperfections in the paint. All the little beading between the fenders is all replaced. Engine's been rebuilt. It's a 1300 with a single carburetor, just like it was from the factory. It's got overrider bumpers that are brand new, basically. They look incredible. It's got the bias by wide white wall tires. It's kind of the way it would come off the factory floor. It's got the original AM radio, which does not work, but I'm glad nobody cut the dash or anything like that. I think those can be replaced, or they have those custom auto sound radios. But it's got the original style steering wheel, original horn. All the glass is incredible. Just a great car to look at. Fun car to drive, actually. It drives very well. They're not a powerhouse. I think they only had about 50 horsepower, which is nothing. But they made like 1 million of these things, man. They made so many of them. You just don't see people go to this length to restore them because it costs so much. But this car is a bargain at basically $24,900, and all the gauges work. You know, gas gauge, speedometer, wipers, signals. Pretty cool. Synchros feel real nice in the transmission. It's got new shocks and everything, so I got a little list of everything that was done to it and was restored correctly. So we'll go up here and take some more pictures and more video of it. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here in this 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. Quite possibly one of the nicest ones we've ever had. I mean, this was a frame-up restoration, bare metal respray in the original ruby red, all new chrome, trim, rubber, interior, bumpers, got the overrider bumpers, even got a custom plate there if you live in California. That's was probably hard to get, VW. But got the pop-out windows, the vintage roof rack. This is easily removable. A couple of wing nuts right there, that's it. It's got little rubber things on there so you don't scratch the paint. These are actually pretty cool. You can actually put something up there. Some people put like an old ice chest or something like that. But look at this paint. All the stripping between the panels. I mean, you look up close and every piece of rubber, everything's like new on it. Wide white walls, the glass covered headlights. Just nobody goes to this extreme usually. I mean, the earlier ones are worth a lot more money, the ones with the oval windows or the split windows, but you know, to spend the kind of money that it costs to restore a car like this, you know, it's a bargain if you buy it done. The interior is beautiful. All new door panels, steering wheel, even the shifter. It's got seat belts in there too. Pop out quarter windows. Just a great looking car, pretty basic when it comes to stuff in here. I mean, you got a gas gauge and a speedometer and a horn. That's about it. It does have a radio, like I said, it doesn't work. Might be able to be fixed, but they hardly got any stations anyway. You could put like a Bluetooth or something in there, be kind of cool if you want to listen to tunes. What a beautiful little car though. Here's the power plant in the 66 Volkswagen Beetle, or Bug. Original motor style, I think it might be the original motor, but doesn't really matter. It's all restored nicely. It's a 1300. You can see everything on there is pretty much new. Rebuilt carburetor, it's got the correct air cleaner. All the decals are right. Even the painted all in the engine compartment. All the pans are powder painted in there too, the tins. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that, man. Actually runs great. A whole whopping 50 horsepower. The thing goes down the road pretty good though. These are cruisers, man. They're not quarter-mile cars. When they're original like this, you leave them alone. Take them to car shows, get a trophy. Easy to maintain, really cool cars. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. Give me a call. My name's Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car and show you some of the other cool cars we have here too, if you make your way out this way. Thanks for watching.